This is not just a city of stone. It is a city of prayers, of tears, of hope, and of war. This is Jerusalem. More than 3,000 years ago, Jerusalem was a small Canaanite town. Quiet hills, narrow streets. No one knew it would become one of the most important cities in human history. Around 1000 BC, Prophet David made Jerusalem his capital. Later, his son Prophet Suleiman built a great temple. The city became the spiritual center of the Jewish people. In 586 BC, the Babylonian army attacked. The temple was destroyed. The city burned. Years later, a second temple was built. But in 70 AD, the Romans destroyed it again. Only one wall remained, today known as the Western Wall. It is still a sacred place for Jewish prayer. In the 4th century, the Roman Empire became Christian. Jerusalem became holy for Christians too. The Church of the Holy Sepulchre was built. Christians believe this is the place where Jesus was crucified and buried. In 638 AD, Muslim forces entered Jerusalem peacefully. Soon, a golden dome rose above the city, the Dome of the Rock. Nearby stands the Al-Aqsa Mosque, Islam's third holiest site. For Muslims, Jerusalem is the first Qibla and the place of the night journey. In 1099, Crusader armies captured Jerusalem. Blood filled the streets. But in 1187, a Muslim leader, Salah ad-Din, took the city back. From 1517 to 1917, the Ottoman Empire ruled Jerusalem. After World War I, Britain controlled the city. Today, Jerusalem remains at the center of global politics and faith. The sound of Jewish prayers, church bells, and the call to prayer all rise under the same sky. Jerusalem is not just history, it is a living story of faith, conflict, and hope. And its story is still being written.